evening and welcome to Origami with Miss Cynthia. Today I will show you how to create a turkey made out of napkins. Just in time for this Thanksgiving holiday. Now, let's get started. The supplies you will need are 2 square holiday lunch napkins. Alright guys, once you selected your 2 napkins, let's work on the body first. And I am choosing the plain color one because I do want the back of the turkey to have some type of pattern to it. So I'm going to use this one as the back of the turkey. I'm going to use this as the body. So what you're going to do is you're going to make sure and place your napkin. There's openings on the bottom side. So make sure those are all separated and those are faced towards the bottom. And what we're going to do is fold your napkin in half, so left to right. And then just make sure you crease it really good and just be careful because it is a napkin and that way it doesn't tear. Alright, so we're going to open it up and then you're going to do a kite fold, just like this. I'm going to fold that and then fold the left side in just like this. Now take your time folding it because it is a napkin. It's a little more fragile than a piece of paper, and make sure you're folding this with nice clean hands. Alright, so now we're going to flip it over and you're going to fold it again into that middle crease, just like this. Alright, I'm going to flip mine all the way this direction. It just makes it easier to fold the next step, because what we're going to do from here is bring, let me fold that real good. You're going to bring this bottom point of that turkey all the way to the top, just like this. And you're going to press that down. And then from here we're going to do its head and beak. So you're going to just fold it just in half a little bit, just like this. Okay? So this is your turkey here, and now let's work on the back part of your turkey. So I'm going to bring in that other napkin, and you can use a solid one. I just chose something that has a little bit of pattern to it. Okay. So what I'm going to do is expand the napkin like this, and then what I'm going to do is the design. This side has more pattern than it does on the other side. So I'm going to put the side of the napkin that has a lot more pattern towards the bottom, just like this. And then what we're going to do is we're going to do like an accordion fold. So I'm going to bring that up and then fold that down. And what you can do is flip it back and forth. If you'd like to do the accordion, I kind of just like to go a little bit further out to just fold that accordion like this. As you're doing the accordion, make sure you go through it and fold it and crease it down. I'm going to do that again. And I'm going to do one more accordion fold. Okay, now just make sure that you leave a little bit of space at the bottom because you will use that to tuck it in once the accordion fold portion is done. And make sure you crease that real good. Alright, so now we're going to hold it like this and you're going to bring it and fold it right through the middle like this. Okay, so the piece that you left hanging towards the bottom will be in between the accordion. So your accordion will be on the outside. All right. So go ahead and let the accordion kind of just flow through. This piece right here, what we're going to do is just bring it together, and you're going to fold the top into, you could either go left, and to here, this little accordion fold in between, or the other side. As long as you're just folding and tucking it in, creating that triangle, just like this. Okay, and let me show you from the front. It'll look like this. And now you can bring in your turkey, and let me show you the completed one that I have. You can bring in your turkey, and you're gonna put this one, the one that's accordion, on top of your turkey, so it looks like this. And now it's time to place your table. You get your placemat and whichever plate you're gonna use, and set your nice little turkey there. Let's set our table. You can put your fork and knives over here. And what I also did, just to bring it out a little bit, is got cardstock. Just fold it in half, and if you're gonna do name placements, just put your guest's name on there. And that is your origami napkin turkey. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to visit our library webpage at www.buckeyeaz.library to check out our great resources and library materials. See you next time for more origami fun. Happy Thanksgiving!